Have they? They should take her to the room and let them pour her water if there's any place so that they can pour her water so that the camera cannot be on her face.
Abba Kyari and his wife drama since the issues of him being arrested over his drug trafficking. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has fixed March 28 to rule on the bail applications of the suspended DCP Abba Kyari and others. The presiding judge, Justice Emeka, fixed the date after counsel to the prosecutions and defense argued their applications. The judge had fixed today for the hearings of the bail applications after the defendants took their plea to the 8-count charge filed against by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency NDLEA. The allegation bordered on drug trafficking. Abba Kyari and other police officers in their matters have pleaded not guilty to the court charge preferred against them. The other members of the Inspector Generals of Police Intelligence Response Team IROT, including ACP Sunday Ubia, ASP Bawa James, Inspector Simon Agirigba, and Inspector John Unuhu. Boshibuma, Umemba, and Emenka, who are 6 and 7 defendants suspected, pleaded guilty to the court's 5 and 6 and 7 preferred against them. Although their names were also mentioned in the court 3 and 4 where allegations bordering on conspiracy were leveled against Kyari and others. They were not asked to take a plea on these 2 counts. Umuembe and Ezewane are the 2 alleged drug traffickers that were arrested at the Akanu Ubia International Airport in Enugu.
We will file a bail application and we moved it, and then the ruling has been adjourned to 28th of this month. The offense we are talking about is a bailable offense, and we are very confident that the court will do justice, apply the judicial discretion to ensure that the defendants get bail, for them to adequately prepare for their trial. It's adjourned to 28th of this month. Thank you.
Recall that there was a video of Abba Kyari lawyer who claimed that she has a medical report proof that Abba Kyari is an hypertensive and diabetic patient. Although the application was however turned down by the court. Speaking to the newsmen after the court hearing,
I brought the motion on health grounds. He's a diabetic patient and he's also hypertensive. So we have medical report to support our applications.
Well, Nigerians are now reacting that automatically husband and wife have become seriously sick. Ramutu, the wife of Abba Kyari, a suspended deputy commissioner of police who is being tried for the offense bordering on cocaine deal, collapsed at the lobby of the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday.
They should take her to the room and let them pour her water if there's any place so that they can pour her water so that the camera cannot be on her face.
The middle-aged woman, who was said to have been an asthmatic patient, fell on the floor while armed operative of the NDLEA were leading her husband Abba Kyari and others away from the court premises. However, the incident of Mr. Abba Kyari's wife collapse occurred after the judge adjourned the suit case to March 28 to decide on the bail applications, as Mr. Abba Kyari, who was produced on the court from the custodies of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, walked down from the 5th floor of the court in the company with the family members. Mrs. Abba Kyari collapsed on the lobby of the court. Donned in the black gown, female relative rushed her to the aid and ferried her to the Federal High Court clinic located on the ground floor of the court building. Her associates and family members promptly administered first aid on her and she regained consciousness. Thereafter, Mrs. Abba Kyari was evacuated from the court facilities in a private vehicle.
You'll be alright.
Well, there have been suspected foul plays over the arrest of Abba Kyari, now that his wife has automatically become an asthmatic patient. But on the other hand, Mr. Abba Kyari, along with the other co-defendants, was led away back to NDLEA custody.
No, right. Hey, Baba. Give us space.
Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ nù mí?
Go back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back.
That would be desperate on my part. I need to carefully study the document. I need to also look at the proof of evidence that was served to us and be able to be sure that what I have to say in court will be what it is and not what I think it should be. Yes.
So for you to say that was desperate, which means your client is okay and they are treating him well at the detention center.
To the best of my knowledge, yes. To the best of my knowledge.
The submission, and an issue was raised
yes.
that correct?
Yes, yes.
Raising some issues at the detention center, is that right?
Well, that's a misconception. You know, the whole situation is tensed. Everybody, people are fallible. They are bound to make mistakes. That's why I was quick to stand up and explain how reverend he has been in custody. And same has been addressed. Yes.
So just give us a sense of how it is for your clients to access their family members, because that was the issue that caused the controversy.
Well, it's not something I can categorically say exactly what it is, but whatever it is, I believe I've sorted out with my client, and whatever reservations he has in that regard.
Thank you very much for watching our video to the very end. If you are our subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos from Facebook, from YouTube. We really appreciate everyone that is supporting us. If it's the first time of coming across our videos, why not take a moment of your time to visit our platform and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is the only way you can support us, by sharing and commenting and hearing your view about these specific videos. Until we meet again, stay tuned with Plan TV. Peace out.
Don't forget to subscribe to get notified. And as you share your support, now say God bless you too.
Sense on the bed.
Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV. Oh, Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV.